On a Friday night in the summer holidays, local people and visitors gather at St. Peter's Hall in Dalaber, South Uist, for a special event. The Keolis Community Group is putting on an evening celebrating local food as well as local music. It starts with a chance for everyone to sample the products of various food producers in the Western Isles. McLean's Bakery is based in Benbecula, though it supplies shops throughout the Uists and beyond. The Hebridean Smokehouse is based in North Uist. Salar, who also specialise in salmon, are based in South Uist. And Callan Shellfish are based in Grimsey. After the starters comes the main course, a cookery demonstration using these local foods. The demonstration is conducted entirely in Gaelic, but headsets for simultaneous translation into English are available at the door. The compere for the evening is Mary McInnes. She starts by inviting guests to help themselves to more food and wine before the demonstration begins. The simultaneous translation is provided by the Keolis administrator, Mary Ellen Stewart. The demonstration is to be given by Isabel Graham, a well-known cook and hotelier from the RSA Inn.
Slaving over a hot stove, a whole was a whole range. I should look at the Comessa Hayed, Koch, Beer Gale, and Beer March ahead. So noch guy Jeff Dollar Screen wasn't big, I was Kishi, but I had Guyano.
For obvious reasons, seafood is a speciality of the islands. Isabel uses a lot of fish and shellfish in her cooking. This could be freshly caught, for example monkfish, or smoked salmon, or scallops, or a combination of all of these. Everyone follows what she does closely. Crab is also important and very popular. As the evening draws on, everyone gets to taste Isabel's cooking. Even Mary Ellen gets to relax a little. The food is shared out, and the Keolis musical director Ian MacDonald gets his reward too.
A big thank you to Ian MacDonald for all his work, and that's the supper. Singing for the supper, there you are. Well, come on a bit nach Kate Mila time to Yishuba. Agus get a
Finally, before the music starts, Mary thanks everyone who has contributed to the evening. The food was all provided free of charge, and Mary encourages everyone to make more use of fresh Uist food.
Many thanks to you.
To finish off, Ian MacDonald plays some tunes with local and visiting musicians. Ian, who lives in Benbecula, is famous around the world as a leading Scottish traditional musician on both pipes and flute. Here in his own community, he can relax in the company of friends. It's hard to imagine a better way to finish off a good, healthy meal.